I'm going to tell you why I'm excited, because today we're going to talk about the Sigma 16mm f1.4 DCDN contemporary lens for the Sony E mount. Try saying that 3 times fast. So the real reason I wanted to get this lens, this is why. You see that? See that background blur? It's really nice. So now that I have this lens, I want to talk about the pros and I want to talk about the cons, right? The autofocus works really well. So if I put my hand up, all right, so now it's focused on my hand, and if I pull away, right back. There's definitely an improvement in quality over the kit lens. This is something I haven't heard anyone say, but Sigma actually offers a 4-year warranty on their lenses. 4 years! Like, that's insane. If there's any questions that you guys have for me, down in the comments. Until next time, be well, and I'll catch you later.